Well, look, here we are in Weber land. I've got all my favorite Weber barbecues here, all different sizes, configurations, colors. Remember this? You don't need this. This is that grill that you cook your steaks on. Just set that aside. Let me just show you. You just have to make a little bit of an adjustment between each Weber as you go along in size. You don't want to use big bricks at the bottom like I was showing you on the barbecue scene in the show. You save that for the big barbecue over there. Okay? Here you can do a chicken. Just if you want to, put your aluminum foil around the side. And this one here, I've only got 2 bricks, okay, because it's a smaller barbecue. If I was going to do a turkey on this particular size, I would even go lower in some tiles. Okay? Vent's always on half. This size here, what am I doing? This is a turkey. Okay, and again, a smaller tile. Down at the bottom, you put your charcoal around there. Follow the recipe guide as far as how many charcoal briquettes that you need for each particular size bird. And here's a little cute one if you ever want to do Cornish game hens for you and the missus one night. Huh? That only takes about 24 briquettes. And here's the Weber, the big one, okay? And here again, I'm using my deep dish pizza pan that I've covered with foil because at the end I don't have to be doing a big cleanup. Well, that's the Weber world. It can't get much simpler than that. And don't forget, you got to use the height and don't use the middle grill.